How to change Instagram currency. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the currency on Instagram. If you're trying to adjust the currency for shopping or ads, this quick guide will help you out, so let's get started. First things first, open your Instagram app and make sure you're logged into your account. Just tap on your profile, tap on three horizontal bars and simply go to ads. If you don't have ads payment, you can simply go to the payment option, as you can see here. From here you can find an option called credit or debit cards or other payment methods. Simply choose whichever you prefer. Tap on add payment method. You can choose to prefer what you want to add, and from there you can simply, once you've added it, you can simply choose the Instagram currency, and that's it. That's how you can simply change the currency on Instagram.